First series is 53, 53, 40, 40, 27, 27, and the correct answer is B, that is 14, because here in this series at first each number is repeated once and after repetition 13 is getting subtracted from the repeated number. At first 53 has got repeated and after repetition 13 is subtracted from 53 giving 40. After that 40 has been repeated once and 13 has been subtracted from that giving 27. Now 27 has been already repeated, and to get next number in the series 13 has to be subtracted from 27 and this gives us 14 as the answer. Next series of numbers is 3, 4, 7, 8, 11, 12, and the options are 13, B 14, C 15, and D 16. Next number in this series is 15 because here, in this series 1 and 3 are added alternatively giving the next numbers of the series. In the first step 1 is added to 3 giving 4, next 3 is added to 4 giving 7, next 1 is added to 7 giving 8, next 3 is added to 8 giving 11, next 1 is added to 11 giving 12. So in the next step 3 has to be added to 12 and this gives us 15 as the next number of the series, so C is the correct answer for this question. Next series of numbers is 14, 28, 20, 40, 32, 64 and the options are 128, B 56, C 52 and B 80. Next number that comes in this series is 56. This is because in this series multiplication by 2 and subtraction of 8 are done alternatively in the following manner. In the first step 14 is multiplied by 2 giving 28 as the next number of the series, then 8 is subtracted from 28 giving 20 as the next number of the series. After that 20 is multiplied by 2 giving 40 as the next number of the series, then 8 is subtracted from 40 giving 32 as the next number of the series. After that 32 is multiplied by 2 giving 64 as the next number of the series, so in the next step 8 has to be subtracted from 64 and this gives us 56 as the next number of the series. Next series is 544, 509, 474 and 439 and the options are 404, B 390, C 414 and D 384. Next number that comes in this series is 404 because in this series each number is subtracted by 35 to get the next number in the series. So in the first step 35 is subtracted from 544 giving 509 as the next number of the series. Next subtraction of 35 from 509 gives 474, and again subtraction of 35 from 474 gives 439. So to get the next number of this series we have to subtract 35 from 439 and this gives us 404 as the next number of the series. Next series is 80, 10, 70, 15, 60 and the options are a 50, B40, C20 and D25. Next number that comes in this series is 20 because here the given series contains two types of patterns in alternate manner and hence can be rewritten as two sub-series with alternate numbers in the following manner: Series 1 containing 80, 70, 60 and Series 2 containing 10, 15. Here in the first sub-series 10 is getting subtracted in each step and in second sub-series 5 is getting added at each step, and in the present case the answer that we needed comes from the second series, so 5 will be added to 15 and answer is 20. Next series is 8, 6, 9, 23, 87 and the options are a 132, B 156, C 382 and D 429. Next number that comes in this series is 429 because here a given series is based on the following pattern. In the first step 8 is multiplied by 1 and is further subtracted by 2. In the next step 6 is multiplied by 2 and is further subtracted by 3 giving 9. In the next step 9 is multiplied by 3 and is further subtracted by 4 giving 23. In the next step 23 is multiplied by 4 and is further subtracted by 5 giving 87. So in the next step 87 should be multiplied by 5 and further subtracted by 6 and this gives 429. Next series is 28, 25, 5, 21, 18, 5, 14 and we have to find the pair of numbers that comes next in this series. Options that are given here are 10 and 7, B 11 and 5, C 10 and 5, D 17 and 5. Next pair of numbers that comes in this series are 11 and 5 because here in the given series different pairs of numbers are separated by a constant number 5, which means every third number in the series is 5 and the two numbers of a pair differs by 3 and the first number of each pair is obtained by subtracting 7 from the first number of the previous pairs. So in the pair we have 28 and 28 minus 3, that is 25. Every third number of our series is 5, so after 28 and 25 we have 5. First number of the next pair is obtained by subtracting 7 from the first number of the previous pair, so here we have 28 minus 7 and this gives 21 as the first number of the second pair. Second number of this is equal to 21 minus 3, that is 18. Next we have 5 as every third number of the series is 5, so next pair will be 21 minus 7, that is 14 and 14 minus 3, that is 11, and after 11 we will have 5 as every third number of the series is 5, so the next pair of numbers that comes in this series are 11 and 5. Next series is F2-D 8, C16 and B32 and the options are A E4, BG4, CE6 and DG6. Correct answer is E4 because here In the given series, letters are written in the reverse alphabetical order and the numbers are obtained by multiplying the previous number with 2. So, here in reverse alphabetical order before F we have EN2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4, so answer will be E4. Next series is 664, 332, 340, 170- and 89, and the options are 97B, 109C, 178. Correct answer is C, that is 178, because here, in the given series, division by 2 and addition by 8 are done alternatively, so in the first step 664 is divided by 2 giving 332. In the next step 8 is added to 332 giving 340. Next 340 is divided by 2 giving 170. Next 8 is added to 170 giving 178. Next series is J14, L16-P20 and R22, and the options are N18B, M18C, O18 and the S24. Correct answer is that is N18, because given series each literon number are incremented B2 on incrementation B2 becomes Ln 14 becomes 16, so next number L16 on incrementing L by 2 we will get N, and on incrementing 16 by 2 we will get 18, so the next number of the given series is N18. Please visit our channel to practice more.